Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing iCloud for Windows and signing in with your Apple ID. This links your PC to iCloud. Once signed in, open the iCloud app and enable Icloud Drive so a folder appears in File Explorer. Make sure File Explorer shows the iCloud Drive folder. If it does, drag or copy the files you want to upload into that folder to begin syncing automatically. This initiates the upload and registers the files with Apple's cloud. After moving files into the iCloud Drive folder, Windows and iCloud coordinate to upload them. You can watch progress with the status icons in File Explorer. If you have many or large files, use Selective Sync in the iCloud app to choose folders to keep locally versus cloud-only to manage disk space. Also, pause and resume syncing from the iCloud app when bandwidth is limited. Make sure the PC stays awake until uploads finish to avoid interrupted transfers. When uploads complete, verify by visiting iCloud.com or checking the iCloud Drive on an iPhone or Mac. This confirms successful transfer. If files stall or don't appear, first restart iCloud for Windows or sign out and back in to refresh the connection, and then retry. If problems persist, check your firewall and antivirus settings to allow iCloud and install pending Windows updates. These steps resolve most sync issues, if needed. Restart the PC and attempt the upload again to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.